Welcome to our tutorial on how to change the display language on Twitter for PC. Follow these simple steps to customize your display language. To begin, click on the More icon located on the Twitter interface and select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. Next, navigate to the Accessibility, Display, and Languages tab within the Settings menu. Click on the Languages option to access the language settings for your Twitter account. Under Display Language, you will see a list of available languages. Click on your preferred language to select it as the display language for your Twitter account. For security purposes, you may be prompted to enter your password to confirm the language change. Once you have chosen your desired display language and entered your password, simply click the Save button to apply the changes. Congratulations! You have successfully updated the display language on Twitter for PC to better suit your preferences and enhance your overall user experience. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tricks to optimize your social media usage.